Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? Welcome to your computer class. So class, today we are going to start our first unit in the computer book, that is computer hardware. So first of all, we have to describe what is the CPU in a computer is. Class, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is as a brain in a human being. As a human being cannot live or cannot do anything without its brain, so a computer is same as helpless without CPU. Although computer is a combination of some hardware and software, some physical parts of the computer we can easily see and we can touch. Uh, it is called hardware, and we can classify the hardware of computer in two types. It is input and output. Sorry, we can also classify one more type, that is processing hardware. So hardware can be classified into three types. Commonly, we have input hardware and output hardware in front of us. For example, we have a keyboard. We are giving some input to the computer in sense of typing, entering number. We have mouse. We are pointing anything to open folder. So these are input hardware. But on the other hand, we have monitor. We are going to see the output on our screen. We have printer. We get the result printed. So these are output hardwares. So the processing hardwares can be RAM, ROM, hard disks, power supply. These are processing, and without those, we cannot run the computer. So mainly there are three components in a central processing units. Number one is ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit. Number two is control unit, and number three is memory unit. So class, there is a diary given to you, and there is also a picture. You have to cut this image and sorry, you have to draw this image in your book. This is kind of flow diagram describing the central processing unit, and then you have to answer this question in your copy. What are the three main components of CPU? As I elaborated, there are three main components of a CPU. Number one is ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Number two is control unit, that is CU, and number three is MU, memory unit. Okay, class. Hopefully, you will guys do this work easily. Assalamu alaikum.